Apple have recently announced Creator Studio, and it became even more powerful when we talk about devices like iPad. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Creator Studio in your iPad. And by the way, I already have created video of how you can avail 1 month trial. So if you want to see that video, then you can find that in the description of this one. Alright, so now let's quickly go here in App Store and let's search for Creator Studio. And there you go. Here we have got this Apple Creator Studio. All you need to do is you need to tap here on get, and there you go. So as soon as you're gonna hit here on install, it's going to install all the apps that is included in Apple Creator Studio bundle. If we talk about app here, you can see the first app, and as the name suggests, you can see the app that is included in this bundle, which is Final Cut Pro that lets you create video. Then we have got Logic Pro for creating music. Then we have got this Pixelmator, great for editing image. Then we have got this Keynote, which was free and still I believe will be free, but if you want to avail AI features or more advanced features, then you will have to pay for that. So that's how I think it's going to be. Then we have got these Pages, which is kind of alternative of word processor. Then Numbers, alternative of Microsoft Excel. Now if we see here, we also have got this Motion that is only available for macOS, Compressor, that is kind of encoder, that I think is alternative of Adobe Media Encoder. And then we also have got this main stage. So apart from these 3 apps, you can install all these 6 apps in your iPad, and by just tapping here on Apple Creator Studio, you're gonna have access to all. Now let me quickly open Final Cut Pro just to show you guys. And there we have it. Now here, click here on new project, and then again new project. Here you can define the project. For example, I'm gonna say Creator Studio, and who knows, next time onward I'm gonna create all my videos here in Final Cut Pro for iPad. Now it also have modern capability of transcribe audio that you may also find in case of Premiere Pro. Now from here you can import your video. You can also import videos probably from your cloud drive, and let me actually import one video. And now here we go. So I can quickly drag it here, and here, as you can expect from Final Cut Pro, it works and seems exactly same. And maybe I'm gonna cover this Final Cut Pro for iPad in more detail later on. But for this video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of Apple Creator Studio for iPad. And I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Also, if you want to follow us along, where we will be covering all these apps in detail and exclusively for iPad, let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.